Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining a clear base so rem values mean something. Set HTML font size to a fixed pixel value or a percentage, for example, 16px or 62. 5% so 1 rem equals 10px. Once done, convert your current pixel sizes to rem by dividing by the base. Make sure to update global elements like headings and paragraphs first, because they cascade. If you use a percentage base, remember browser defaults can alter computed sizes, so test in multiple browsers. You now convert specific components, headings, buttons, padding, and margins. Compute rem by dividing the pixel value by the base font size. For example, 24px becomes 1. 5 rem if base is 16px. Once converted, replace pixel units across your stylus sheet and group related rules to maintain consistency. Also, use rem for responsive scaling so entire UI shifts with user preferences. If a tiny control needs exact rendering, mix in px for that one rule, but keep the rest in rem. You finish by testing and fixing edge cases. Check your site at different zoom levels and with larger default fonts to ensure everything scales as intended. If a component looks off, inspect computed styles to find inherited font size overrides. Often body or component-specific font size breaks rem expectations. Once you locate the override, remove or adjust it and retest. A single troubleshooting tip: if sizes jump, search for any element with an explicit pixel font size that interrupts rem inheritance and correct it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.